I'm very excited. I have been accepted to present at this year's convention, the 2023 convention, and really looking forward to being part of that. I have presented before, and it really is a great experience. I'm going to be doing a presentation called Successful Hypnosis Results with Children. This is a class for the seasoned and the beginner. There may be those that have worked with children could gain some extra insight. Those that are the newbies, the novices, this is something that can really get them started in the process of working with children. One thing, you're going to be able to how to talk to a parent to help them understand the value of hypnosis, especially if they haven't used that modality before, so they can understand that value and how that hypnosis can help their child. I've been working with children approximately 15 years. It was something that I wasn't initially doing in my practice, and yet when I was asked, and I jumped in and said, okay, what is needed to be able to do this with this child? And through that process of working with children, I've learned how to do it very effectively and very well. Not only are you getting my knowledge and experience, you'll also be getting handouts, and we'll also be doing an experiential, so you can experience the session for yourself.